Welcome back to CAD Station. In today's tutorial, we are going to make this part by using simple features of the SolidWorks. And let's start from we have the new and the part. And we are going to use SolidWorks 2022 version. So you can use any of the versions. There is no problem. And in the beginning, let's select the front plane sketch. Now we are going to make use this sketch first. That is 300 mm as the height and 120 mm. So let's select the line, make a vertical line, just make a random sketch like this. Or okay, one more thing, let's close this one, escape. Now we are going to mention the dimensions as this is okay, one more thing, escape. Let's delete this dimension and we are going to use the millimeters and again is edit sketch. Next is a smart dimension. Now this time mention 300 mm. This is 120 by 2, that's mean 60 mm, and the angle between these two lines is 20 mm. Nothing we have to mention here. Next is we are going to use this 20 mm as a fleet radius and 60 mm that is fleet radius. So select the fleet. This one is going to be 20 mm and enter. Now this one, it is 60 mm as the radius and done. Nothing else. We are moving to features and the Revolved Boss base. Let's select the axis of revolution as this vertical line and okay. Now next is we are going to select the front plane again, sketch. This time we are going to draw this handle. That sketch is here. Let's make from the line. Just randomly make a horizontal line. Then like this, add here. Or if you want, you can close it. This is sketch, but I'm not going to close here. Now it's time to mention the dimensions as this is 110 degrees and 135 degrees. So smart dimension, angle between these two is 110 and these two is 135. Escape. Okay, again smart dimension, we have to mention the length. This is 130. This is of 30 mm. This is of 100 mm. And let's mention this as I want only 20 mm. That's the height from the bottom. Escape. Now one more thing, line. I'm just going to increase this one and parallel lines. Okay. Now move to features, extrude boss base, and we are going to use the mid plane, and this is going to be of 30 mm. And okay. Now next, you can see it's nearly done, but let's select the flit. Select any one of the line and then come to right features. And the radius is going to be of only 4 mm. And done. Okay, it shows some error. Let's change. Let's make it 2 mm. Okay, wait a minute. We are again going to flit. Select this line and now try to select only these internal two features, and it's not showing the result. That's mean there is a problem. So we are going to select one by one. First, let's select all the lines one by one. And the last two is here. Okay, I'm going to change it as 4 mm's and done. Now next is again flit, and I want to let this one and this one as, let's try to make it of 6 if it's possible. Okay, and that's look good. Now control 7 for isometric view. Now I want to make this hollow. Let's see here, this is a hollow one. So I want to make this hollow. For this, we have the features. In the features tab as shell. You have to simply click on the top face and make it of 3 thickness. Show preview, and it's may take a few seconds. Okay, and if you want to shell outward, you can select the shell outward, or if you don't, then simply let's me terminate. Simply click the button. Now next is let's show it. Okay, done. Now again flit, and these sharp edges we want to eliminate these edges, as this is going to be of only 1 flit radius, and done. Now again control 7 for isometric view, and this is nearly done. Now next is settings. Let's change some sharpness of the drawing. So that's for this we are going to document properties, and then let me find, okay, image quality, and just take it to the highest spec, and done. Now next is we are going to change its appearance. That's been the color of the part, and okay, done. Now you can change its appearance from here. If you want to make it perspective, cartoonic, it's up to you. But I don't like perspective, so this is done. So this is a simple tutorial in which we use the Revolved Boss base and the plates, and the most important, the theme shell feature of Solidworks. So you will understand the tutorial, and if you are new to CAD Station, then don't forget to subscribe and share.